there, it's Daria here, and today we are talking fall fashion. There is so much to love about fall fashion. The textures, the silhouettes, the colors are all rooted in this richness and style and comfort. And I'm a big fan, like a super big fan. So I took some time today to piece together some outfit inspiration that you can rock in the fall. Selfishly, I also just wanted to play with my closet and put together outfits that I've never worn before and style some of my favorite pieces in ways that are new to me. A couple things to remember while I am showing these outfits off to you. The first one is everything that I'm showing you is already from my closet. I didn't do any fall shopping and I probably won't. And then the second, I'm going to be talking a little bit about trends, but I'm also a very big advocate of wearing what you want. I'm sure that you have a style that you love and you adore, and I have a style that I love and I adore, and that's great, and that's why we're all individuals, and that's what makes the world go round. But seriously, trends are fun to talk about and draw inspiration from, but also wear what you want. Let's go ahead and get into these outfits. So I bought this dress new last year and it's one of my favorites that I have, but I typically reserve it for special occasions like my premiere party that I had last year and the cover look for my first zine about mindfulness and meditation. So I wanted to challenge myself today to style it in a way that'll keep me warm for fall because I only usually wear it during hot weather, and two, style it in a way that's a little bit more casual so that I feel like I can wear it every day. So I paired it with this corduroy skirt to keep warm, and then also I feel like this vest plays up to the casual factor. And then I gave it this French tuck and voila. Also, yellow is one of the colors for fall this year, and I love yellow, I look great in yellow, but you can also totally do this outfit combination in any color that you like. So I've actually only worn this dress once since I got it at the Goodwill outlet, and that's mainly because I need to get it tailored. The straps, I don't really like how it fits, so I need to get it tailored, but also maybe this will motivate me to learn how to sew. But I love this blazer. When I think of fall, I do think of this really pretty green color, and the colors just change for fall. This blazer is amazing to me. I love the detailing on the pockets, and pairing it with this dress just feels so natural. The colors are there. As we all know, again, this dress is from the Goodwill haul, and I think I got this blazer from a thrift shop in New York. And let's not forget the beautiful ruffle detailing at the bottom. So cute. It's so So I feel like this outfit sort of transcends trends. These colors you'll find on any fall lookbook. Honestly, I feel like a lot of the trends from this year are trends that you've seen before. You probably will see again and again. Trends are cyclical, that's how it goes. But for this outfit, I have a bodysuit, lingerie bodysuit. Actually, lingerie is really in right now. But for me, it's always in. I freaking love lingerie. And then I have these kind of utilitarian pants, a oversized jacket, just to stay warm. I like the fit. I feel a little cool with it. And then this bag that I actually do think would have gone really well with the last outfit. I just forgot to include it, but you can see it now in this outfit. I can see myself wearing this outfit anywhere. It's very easy to move around in, and I feel like it transitions well from day to night. If I'm going on an errand, or if I'm hanging out with friends, or if I'm going out to a little open mic night or a little coffee shop. This outfit is very easy to copy and very easy to put your own spin into it. This outfit I actually wore over the weekend. My friend and I went out for daylight savings, and it was kind of a last minute thing. So I was kind of scrambling for an outfit. So I was like, okay, black and white goes together, and I like this piece and I like this piece, so let's make something work. And I think I really did a great job. I love this outfit because of the volume and the drama. And to make it even more dramatic, I put this beaded bag with it. It's so cute. It's so like, I'm going out, look at me. And we have the lingerie for the fall trending fashion, and this really, really awesome skirt that you will probably see me wearing as much times as I can, like as many times as I can, because I just think it's so fun to dance around with. I've had this bag for like a year now at least, and I wore it for the first time this weekend, and that's one of the reasons why I love playing around with my closet and, you know, experimenting, because I'm wearing things that I have never picked up, probably would never pick up unless I took some time to be a little creative. And so this is just your reminder that if you have some pieces in your closet that, you know, you haven't worn before and you're kind of going through the same thing that I went through, play around with your closet, have a little dress up day, you know, see what you can put together, and have fun. So this outfit I really love because I'm a big fan of graphic tees, but also I'm a big fan of flares. And these pants are flared. If you can see, they have a little bit of I get compliments every time I wear these pants, and it just makes me so happy to wear them. First of all, again, they're flare. I love a flare. These really make my shape look amazing. Okay, I look really good. But also the color is really fun and playful. I have never paired these pieces together. This t-shirt was actually in the back of my dresser drawer somewhere. I borrowed it from a friend one time and then just never gave the shirt back. I don't have any idea what band this is on the shirt, but I think it's a really cool style. It's a really pretty graphic. I can see myself wearing this outfit anywhere, a night on the town, hanging out with friends, just a casual little shopping day with my mom or something like that. But this is what it looks like. Oh, also, again, these pants don't actually have belt loops, but I felt like this belt buckle just really pulled everything together. So I just put the belt loop, I put the belt where the belt loops would possibly go, and you know, I'm just gonna rock it like that's how it's supposed to go. So this outfit is pretty simple. Took some jeans, a blazer, a bra, and put it all together, and there you go. I typically don't wear jeans unless it is fall and winter. During the warmer months, you will always catch me in a dress, a skirt, sweatpants maybe. Again, when it comes to bottoms, pants, jeans, I love a flare, and these are flares. I love these pants so much. I have had them for a few years now, and they have been holding me down every winter since I got them, and I'm really, really happy about that because, again, I love them. This blazer I got in New York, and I'm pretty sure it was from the same thrift shop that I got the other one. It has really interesting stitching on the shoulders, just a small detail that makes it pop. This outfit is really simple. We're just feeling the blues, having a blue moment, and I just think, you know, it's something that you can definitely wear during the fall, and I'm excited to wear it out. So just in case it wasn't established already, I love my mini dresses and I don't want to stop wearing them just because it's getting cold. So this outfit combination is definitely going to carry me through the fall. We're tying in one of my favorite dresses and a little bit of menswear with this blazer, and to give it more of an hourglass shape, I did put a belt over it, but you can definitely put the belt like underneath the dress to give it more of a boxy shape, or forget the belt at all. I have my fanny pack here, keeping it close to my chest, and with every outfit I put these boots. This dress gets a lot of wear out of me. I love the stitching, I love the texture, it's so soft to the touch, and I'm so happy that I was able to come up with a way to wear it all season long. Oh, in case you want to see what it looks like without the belt, there we go. I think we've seen it before on the channel. Menswear is definitely one of those styles that are in trend this season, and you know, I did have a lot of blazers in this little lookbook, but I feel like this one gives me more like the most menswear vibes to it, and I think it's fun. I think it's a way for me to do it how I want to, you know. Actually, I feel kind of naked without the cow print belt, so what I'm gonna do is just to show you what it would look like without it on the outside. Is put that back on because that's how I like to wear it. I do understand the appeal of menswear. It's boxy, it's angular, whereas women's wear has more of a curvy, flowy kind of vibe. And I feel like this outfit just gives me the best of both worlds. Like, I do love to be able to Alright, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video and tuning in and having this chat about fashion. If you like what you see, definitely leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. It really makes me happy to like read through the comments and everything. Actually, let me know, like, are you know, tapping into trends this season, or are you typically someone who doesn't really care? I think these type of conversations are just so fun to have. But with all that being said, I'm going to release you back into your day and wish you a great rest of your day, and get into cleaning my room because I kind of made a mess today with all of this clothing. So bye guys, have a good one. I got this blazer in New York. I'm pretty sure it was the same. Menswear is 100%. Menswear is a style that's very much in trend this season. So I get so many compliments. Oh, it's gonna take me forever to clean this up.